Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tū atu I he kurangi. Te wito te rohe Ngāti Hine FM. Morena!
Morena e te iwi. Look, that was just a quick one, Martha. Well done. We are on.
We are on. If you're here in whangarei, no mai haere mai ki tēnei hōtaka o tātou, but we don't just stop at whangarei.
Oh, no.
Ka putātu ki te ao, ki te ao whānui, actually.
Te ao whānui. Yes, we've had
WA
from Australia.
this week.
That's right.
That's right.
We've got the United Kingdom listening. How are you?
We had the other side, New South Wales, listening.
That's right. And you've got even from the patchy patches of Miti Miti listening.
Ai, te pachi pachi o te Hokianga. E mihi ana, you are tuned in.
Oh, yeah, there's our jam
Ara E Mara.
girl. There's our jam girl. Oh, cool.
Morena.
Welcome to the good life.
The wait is over.
The wait is over.
Haore, it says -1. -1 is coming. He's on his way.
All I gotta say is,
Welcome to the good
La,
life.
yeah.
Pachi pachi Hokianga, miti onu rahi rahi.
like we always do with this time. I go from
To the front, hey, and tip it to the side, and jump it back. Now come up, and bumper. To the front, and hey, it's a cowboy. It's a cowboy.
Oh, morena e te iwi. It's a beautiful day here at Te Whanga o Reipai, and we are here. The crew.
Yes, I'm
Minus
good.
one.
The crew -1, but -1 is coming because it is Wednesday.
It is.
And we're bringing it back. Te hokinga mai, tēnā koutou. You got to have a little bit of drama on the tēnā koutou.
Okay, let's do that again.
So it goes, there's no timing, but there is
I
timing.
get you. I
like
can feel it.
tēnā koutou.
Yeah.
You got to bring that kaumātua
Oh, I
tone.
love
Okay.
that.
Te hokinga mai, tēnā koutou. That's the one.
Oh, you can't wait for this because I'm so excited. We've
That's
got
right.
the most happiest of the happiest days. It's Win the Prize at Friday's back!
Kei hea ranga pai e, kei hea ranga pai. Koira te mahi o -1 at the moment.
Aye.
He's finding the pies in whangarei.
God, you've got to
And,
make the pies or
I
something.
don't know. I was hoping that it was just on his way.
Oh, yeah.
But he might have gone back out to Titoki to try it.
Oh, heck of
Who knows? So the pies are on its way.
Pies on the way, that's right.
Well, where's the pies at Wednesday?
Can't
Hi
wait.
oi anō ai, e whakarongo mai ana koutou ki a e Ara E Mara. We are the two-thirds of the crew.
That's
Wahau
right.
ko Marcia Hopa, and I ko Luke Bird.
There's a fabulous message here. Remember to blow on the pie.
Yeah. Now, were they serious in that show, do you reckon?
Which
It was like-
show's this?
It was Police 10-7. Back in the days. He was like, he pulled him over and he was like, look, you need to blow on the pie. Safer communities together.
Oh, kia ora.
Yeah, and it was from Whangarei.
Oh, of course
Yeah.
it was. Oh, dear. Well, you know, we will be blowing on the pies today. We've got some
Yes.
exciting news today. We've got more information on how you can get in the draw
Yes,
For-
that's right.
for 12 days of Christmas.
I was like a little mini attack, like panic attack, because I was like 12 or 16. Why would it be 16, Marcia?
Is there a button? Can we push that
Oh
button?
yeah, no. Where's that? Where did he put it?
Oh, where did he?
Where did he put
Andy
the button?
Williams, there it is.
Andy Williams, right there. Ready?
Here we
It's
go.
time. No, it's not time, but beware, it's a iwi, because soon it is time for. That's not it.
Here it is.
It's the most wonderful time.
Oh, we're ice skating right now.
That's right. And just like the Ellen DeGeneres show, E Ara E Mara is coming to you with 12 days of giving.
That's right. Say hello to the crew coming down the aisle. All the bags. Check under your seat.
That's right, everybody. We're giving you the opportunity at home, anyone around the country, anyone listening, anyone online, anyone at all, to go in the draw to win 12 fantastic prizes right here with E Ara E Mara. And more information will be coming to you
That's right.
very soon.
Very soon. Let's say today.
All you have to do once it all goes live, all you have to do is go online. You have to follow our E Ara E Mara Instagram page
And Facebook.
and Facebook page. You also have to follow our 3 host pages. And on the comment section of the prize, the announcement, you just have to tag people.
You just have to tag your friends.
And share and tell people, hey, get into it. And the more tags you have, the more entries you get.
And it's going to be like a battens up, we love a good battens up.
Love a good battens
where you just keep going back in the draw. Once in the draw, always in the draw. So all you got to do is tag away. And the more tags you do, the more draws you get.
That's right.
Have you played battens up? I hope you have.
Because we're playing 12 Days of Christmas! That's right.
We seem so legit.
We do. Well, we've got prizes. We've got prizes from the Key Restaurant. We've got prizes from Pack and Save Whangarei.
That's right.
We've got prizes from
our local retailers.
That's right. We've got everything. We've got Pilates vouchers.
Local gyms.
Yes. So, be in the draw. Got to do it. You got to get on those pages. But we'll have more information.
We'll put the post out today. The post is going out. Look for it. Sign it, seal it, deliver it.
Oh, there we go.
He oi anō I tēnei wā, kia ngā whakarunga tō tātou titiro.
Ai, ko ngā tohu huarere mō tēnei rā. It is currently 18.6 degrees, but it should feel like 21.
That's right.
They're going way up there today.
It is moist.
It is moist, Chunga. The studio, though, is a night. It's nice and cool. It's so good.
They've sussed the temperature out, eh?
Well, let's just don't jinx
No,
it.
yeah, that's right.
18.6 currently, and it is 21. It should feel like 21 degrees. It's a high of 25 degrees with 93% humidity, so it is a moist Chunga day.
Oh, kia ora.
Who's walking in the door? It's
hey guys.
It's Stevie Wonder.
Hey guys, it's me here, Phoenix. Just special guest for the morning.
Kia ora.
Where's the pies at Wednesday?
Here's the pie. I bought some pies in.
That's right. We did tell the truth. That's where you were.
So it took me a little bit longer to get pies than I should have. Honestly, I have my mask every day.
Oh no.
Honestly,
you do it always.
Yeah.
I'm
then this morning,
if you shower with
this morning I couldn't find it. And I was like, what the? And then so I went to get the pies, and they were like, no mask, no entry. So I had to go out in my car and try and like make a makeshift.
Oh,
so I had like those reusable, those reusable like shopping bags.
Oh yes.
I was like tuck it in my shirt and like,
wow, they were that handy.
The dedication.
Yeah.
So, we can't wait for this.
And my glasses are on.
Yeah.
Well, it's great to have you on board this morning.
Yeah.
Yes, so currently it's 18.6 degrees, high of 25 degrees here in Te Whanga o Rei Mai Koinga Kutai. And also 24 degrees in Tamaki COVID, 93% humidity. Cloudy, odd morning shower, and 8:30 p.m. is sunset.
Kia ora.
Yes.
Ki ngā tai o Whangarei, high tide will be at 11:30 this morning, and low tide at 6 o'clock this evening.
Oh, that's romantic.
Yeah.
Sun is still out.
Sun is still out. Like,
Kids
it doesn't go down until like 8:30.
Yeah. Kids are still at the babysitter's house. That's right. I don't know. I don't have them. But, like, oh, babe, do you want to go for a walk on the beach? Oh, 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
You're in for a treat.
That's right.
Yeah, but the low tide stinks though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
A low tide always smells like low tide.
Yeah.
Yes. What did you say? Low tide's at 6 o'clock or high tide?
No, low tide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I thought you. Nah, cucks. Nah, stay home.
It's like that mangrove smell.
Yes,
like,
sorry.
let's go for a romantic walk, and then you look at each other. Was that you? Was that you?
Sorry,
Mr.
no.
Nobody.
yeah.
That's cucks. Sorry, stay home. Yuck.
Stay home.
Well, ko tā tātou ki tēnei wahanga. Are you ready, Luke?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Phoenix?
Yes. Yeah.
We've got your
Trying to. Oh, sorry.
Ready, go.
Oh, just plug yourself. Oh.
Kia ora tātou. Ko tānou tātou ki tēnei wahanga e kia ne ko Mara Mataka. Ko te sexy Mara Mataka. I mea mai a hina. Ko te wahanga o tēnei Marama. Ko ōkoro. Make contact. Make contact. They will answer with enthusiasm. Koe nā tō tātou, tō mātou nei, kōrero aki ki a koutou. Make contact. They will answer today with enthusiasm. So whatever that is, whoever you need to talk to, make contact because they'll answer with enthusiasm. Maybe it's your boss, maybe it's your wahine. Just make contact, whānau. Yes, and the at the end. Make contact. They will answer with enthusiasm today, whānau. So if you've got someone you've been like, oh, I'm iffy to make contact, reach out. Oh, should I? Do they want to hear from me? Yes, they do. They will answer today with enthusiasm. Your estranged father, he will answer today with enthusiasm.
Make contact today. Yeah. We're about connecting people.
We'll put you on that.
That ripped you off.
Make contact
today. He'll answer with enthusiasm.
Oh, kia ora.
Oh, yes.
Speaking of enthusiasm, here's our first song. It's Running, Sons of Zion. Kia ora tonu mai, you are listening to Ara E Mara. Here till 9, that's 10 FM. Woo!
Fire, blow the masses away. You won't get no higher, holding them things of yesterday. It's lit with mystic music, ooh, and this reggae fuels the flame. This fire's here forever, cause this reggae's here to stay. Except you're running around, both your feet on the ground. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. Your past won't let up to your future, don't let it get into you. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. Throw it in the fire and blow the masses away. You won't get no higher, holding them things of yesterday. It's lit with mystic music, ooh, and this reggae fuels the flame. This fire's here forever, cause this reggae's here to stay. Instead you're running around, both your feet on the ground. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. Your past won't let up to your future, don't let it get into you. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. Said you're running around, both your feet on the ground. You're running around, both your feet on the ground. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. Your past won't let up to your future, don't let it get into you. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where. You're running, but you don't know where.
He mea tauto.
Toko nā te manga.
Kai pāho.
Iwa te kauma iwa iro no ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tia. What?
Ira
tia. Magia. Ira tahi tuatu e hukurangi. More ne te iwi ohe of the crew. Ara E Mara, myself, Luke Bird, and Marcia Hooper. Yeah, we're all here.
Ara E Mara.
Hey, hey.
3 headphones, by the way. See that?
Whoa.
Hey. Ai ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga kia nei ko Ara E Mara. Our opportunity to play a game and help us wake up the twins Roa Iho and Roa Ake ara ko te Roro.
And my other twins, the no.
His other twins rocking hard.
Yeah, hard.
I'm not going to
If you know, like, you'll be like, see, feel it.
Yeah, actually, that's right, Phoenix. Well
It's
done.
actually like crazy, yeah.
No, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, fine. We're playing the game this morning, and the game this morning is
Kaupapa game.
Oh, okay. All
the
right.
kaupapa game.
Aye.
Before we get into it, also a reminder: we've got a big 12 days of Christmas thing coming up.
Oh, should we play the button, Nikki?
What did you say? You can't just say
Oh.
12 days of Christmas. We've got a big 12 days of Christmas.
Oh,
Yes,
All of a sudden,
it's the most wonderful time of the year.
we're ice skating into
We
fun.
are, and if you're just joining us this morning and you hadn't heard earlier, we are giving away 12 fantastic prizes over the next few days.
Yes.
All you have to do is go online to our Instagram, like Ara E Mara Facebook page, follow our pages, all of our pages, and then just comment in the section once Marcia posts about it today.
Yes.
That's right.
So you can put as many people as you like in. The more entries you have, the more chances you get to win.
12 days of Christmas, so we're giving the prize everywhere. And on the last day, because we're so generous, we're giving away 4 prizes.
That's right.
Yeah.
Phoenix.
Woo!
So prizes start giving away next Monday the 13th. So you've got to
Yep.
be in the draw today once Marcia puts it out today.
Yeah, the post goes out, you just tag along. It's like battens up too. You'll go in the draw, you stay in the draw. So you have opportunity to win multiple prizes.
That's
Not
right.
We
not
just thought,
one,
you know
not
what?
one.
Oprah does it. Ellen does it. We're doing it.
Ara E
We're
Mara
doing it.
does what?
12 days of Christmas!
Kia ora e te
Boom
iwi.
shakalaka.
No reira,
Great.
keep your ear to the ground because it's coming your way.
Yes. Sorry.
He's coming to town.
Didn't mean to interrupt our game, by the way.
Yeah,
No,
by the way,
I was trying to whisper it
I'm
in there.
interrupting you again.
Hey!
Yes. All right. Kwa no tātou ki tēnei wahanga ki nei ko Ara E Mara, opportunity to wake up.
Yes,
So
with
we're
our kaupapa game.
Yes, we're playing the kaupapa game. So,
Yes.
Marcia, he hato tātene kaupapa.
Oh,
Kia
but the
tēnei.
kaupapa mo te rangi nei.
Mm.
Ko... everybody loves a good Disney kaupapa game.
Oh, Disney. Disney or Datney?
Oh, no, I'm getting stuck already because
Disney.
you guys know your Disney stuff. Damn it!
What?
Okay.
No, I don't.
Okay. But should we put it to there? Like, once you've done that movie, move on?
Oh, what?
Nah, that's not a today.
That's not.
Yeah.
Just
Hard.
putting in some
Especially
songs.
because Phoenix is about to sing all the Moana songs.
He knows all of them.
all of them.
Yeah,
all the
all of
lyrics,
them.
too.
Yeah.
All right. Mauetati.
Okay, here we go. Speaking of Moana, let's go with Moana. Make way, make way. Moana, it's time you knew. The village of Motunui is all you need. The dancers are practicing. They dance to an ancient song. When is a new song, this old one's all we need. Our tradition is our mission.
here we
And
go.
Moana, there's so much to do. Don't trip on the
Oh,
Taro
my
route.
God.
That's all we need. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, very
That
good.
was great.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
That's the second one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you just Google on our game?
I had to Google more than I know,
That's the game.
but
Yeah,
I
if
only
you
know a
don't
couple
know-
of songs.
If
You
you don't know,
lose.
you're a loser.
He knows all of them.
Have you ever played a kaupapa game into iwi where you're like, wait a minute, Google?
Kukara.
He knows all of the songs.
Look, that's cheating.
I got all the kids that
No,
song.
I
Put your phone down now. Flip it over.
Flip it over.
Flip it. Flip it.
Okay.
I'm taking it.
No! No, but you go. Okay, you go.
No, it's you.
Oh, okay,
Someone go. I want to go again. Otherwise,
I'll just do the easiest one. It's a circle of life. And we
Hey.
move as
You're not going to go very well for your audition. I don't think I'll accept that.
you don't know money, however.
Yes,
Till we
Jordan.
find our
You don't know money, however.
Place.
You don't
on
know
the
money,
path
however.
of winding.
You don't know money, however.
It's the circle. The circle of life.
He googled that it too.
I did not. I googled another.
Right.
one.
Have you ever heard
Oh,
the wolf
okay,
cry
too.
to the blue cardboard? Oh, it's the grinning bobcat, why he grins. Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Yes.
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas?
Yes.
Morena koutou. Pocahontas. All right, here's what's
Gonna
another one?
whakaele.
What's another one?
Urina.
Let's
Come in.
get down to business
Ha!
to defeat
What's that song
Yeah.
the Hun.
Moulage.
Yeah.
Did they send me daughter
No.
when I asked for sons?
Oh, so much like
You're the saddest
The
bunch
character.
I ever
Character.
met.
Oh, wow.
But you can bet before we're through.
Yes, get it.
Somehow I'll make a man out of you.
Very
Yeah.
good.
I don't know that
I'm
song.
never
but
gonna catch my breath. Say goodbye to those who knew me.
Yeah.
I don't really know that one.
You, are you like a Disney movie? Like, is that your go-to?
Oh, look.
Yeah. I love the Waters, man. Yes.
Yes, thank you, Mons. I've got a couple more coming. Thank you.
Yes.
Here we go.
Kia ora, Sarah Kay.
What's my next one?
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
there you go. No
Poor
Googling needed.
unfortunate soul, so sad but true. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to be the girl, but will I help them? Yes, I do. That's poor unfortunate souls. You don't know it?
Nah.
Oh, Little Mermaid.
Ah, yeah.
The big octopusy.
Yeah,
You always sing that.
Ursula.
You always sing
Ursula.
those like
the villains, eh?
Yeah, the
'Cause
villains.
I had
Yeah.
one of those ones as a kid when the villains were on movies. I was for the villains. Like Hocus Pocus. They told you not to light the black flame candle. You lit it. So what do you expect? They'd come and say,
Is
hey, good
Hocus
on you.
Pocus those witches?
Yes.
Yeah.
The 3-1?
Yes.
Boil and trouble, eh? Hubble, bubble, boil and bubble. or
Bette
something.
Midler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the
And
big
like,
teeth.
good.
Yeah, the movie Witches, the original. Well, they told you, get away from, don't take the chocolate from the ladies with the purple eyes. You did. So what do you expect her to say? Well done. She's going to eat you. Ah,
All right.
Cruella. They told you not to be awful to her. What do you expect she's going to do?
Sure.
Yeah.
Tell as old as time.
Oh.
Sang like the teapot.
Come here, Chip.
Yeah. True as it could be. Barely even friends. Then somebody bends unexpectedly.
Yes.
That's your bedtime now, Chip.
Oh,
Get a bed.
that's cute.
And they go John Legend.
Oh, yes, go get
No,
it.
I don't know the words, but I just
Okay,
I just
Ariana.
like his version better.
Oh, no, get out of here.
Sorry, guys. I like Ariana
It's
and John
Celine.
Lennon.
It's Celine.
Celine.
Yeah, I
I don't know
know.
who she sings with.
Yeah, I thought it was Luther Vandross.
Aye.
It's
I
not.
thought it was R.
yeah.
Kelly, but.
No.
Oh,
Kelly's
okay.
writing comics now.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
My.
You don't like the originals of
Oh,
anything.
yeah, I know. I'm bad.
You
eh?
like Ngoi Ngoi.
No, I know.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
But she likes the new Santana, Maria.
Is it a new one?
Yeah,
ugly.
you do.
Nah,
You
Just
do,
choose
don't
all
you?
the
that's
time.
ugly.
You do.
Bitch, you do.
All right. What was
Disney.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder. over, sideways, and under. On a magic carpet ride, a whole new world. Don't you dare close your eyes. I was only getting there so I could say that.
Yeah.
Yes,
Don't you dare close your
You're
eyes.
gonna be a really good Disney voice.
Yeah, that's my Disney impersonation voice.
that's great.
You just over accentuate your R's and hit Disney character.
Don't you
Okay,
dare
I'm trying to
close
think of the
your
same movie.
Yeah,
Same
you
movie.
Dare.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
Oh, that's all I know.
Strong as 10 regular men on me.
Amazing.
Ah.
That's all I know.
See the line where the sky meets the sea.
Oh,
it
yes.
calls me.
What does it say?
No one knows.
Why?
How far I'll go. I don't know.
Oh.
See the sound meets the wind. The sound meets the sail meets the wind or
the
something,
sail.
and then we're sailing behind.
I remember when that
I
song
think.
came out and you were trying so hard to get there every time.
The what?
When that
The
song first
lyrics?
came out. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're like, I gotta get it.
See the cloud is gone in the sea. It calls me.
Guy in the
Yeah.
sea.
Oh.
Equally. Last round.
Okay.
Here we go. Come to think of it, kids, I could go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon.
Hey.
The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I
Hey.
threw the Neil, I buried its guts. Sprouted the tree, now you got coconuts.
Coconuts.
What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on the breakaway.
Breakaway.
And the tapestry here on my skin
Yeah.
is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been. I make everything happen. Look at this mini me Maui to tip it to tap it. Hey!
I love that you know
Yes.
all the words. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
4 kids.
Toru
3 kids.
Whanaka.
Yeah.
Tamaraki.
One baby on the way. I just gotta stay ready for
Yeah,
those
that's
bedtime
right.
songs. That's why.
Absolute. Yes. You've got a friend in me.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yes.
You've got a friend in me. Hey, you got a friend in me.
I love how you can start your own song wherever you want, but you still started too high.
You got a friend in me.
And then you turned it into like Dolly Parton styles where now you're just saying it. You got a friend in me. Like take away the melody.
Or those preachers when the people are singing by there and you just thought you got a friend in me.
Yeah.
I don't know the rest of the words.
Crazy.
Nah.
You got a friend in me. Well, that's how he sings. He's a little
Yeah.
cowboy.
Yeah.
Yes.
You
Okay,
got a
last one from
friend
me.
in me. Oh.
Do you want to build a snowman and ride our bikes around the hall? I don't see you anymore. Come out the door. Da-da-ba-da-da-ba. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. Somebody tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? And nothing up to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay,
that's
bye.
Oh,
That's a 5.
that's
That's a
beautiful.
banger. Yeah.
And on that,
That was great. That was great.
It was
Yeah.
fun.
I love the K-pop game, man.
because
Especially
you know the Disney.
Yeah.
It was Disney.
Yeah.
Disney. It's like people that have a partner. My partner this. Shut up.
Wow.
And
I'm married.
my wife's
25-year anniversary.
I was speaking of it's me and Jen's 10-year anniversary on the 17th of this month.
Oh,
Yes.
that's amazing.
Yeah.
Shut up.
And then there's a special day in our whānau. One of my nephew's birthdays. He's on this morning.
Yes.
Oh.
So anyway, moving right along.
It's coming up. He oi anō I tēnei wā kia kia no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Next, topical news. If you've got any, look at it. Look at it.
Flick something.
Ka Tīne FM. Whakahono ono mai.
Whakahono mai e te iwi. Whakahono mai. Whakahono mai e te iwi. I te rangi mai e. Awhina kia maira ka tauri atu ai. O matua karo ki a koe, ki te kaihango ngā mea katoa. Awhina kia maira ka tauri atu ai. O matua karo ki a koe, ki te kaihango ngā mea katoa. Whakahono hono mai e te iwi. Whakahono hono mai. Whakahono hono mai e te iwi. I te rangi mari e. Ho matua e rua e mauito, I ka ngā kia marino ai. Te ao, ko koe te ara. Me te oranga marama, I roto I te ao. Whakana hono mai e te iwi. Whakahono hono mai. Whakahono hono mai e te iwi. I te rangi mai e.
Te Rautira is celebrating our essential workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our gratitude and aroha before Christmas by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your Ngā Mihi through your social media network and stay connected for up-and-coming events, competitions and celebrations. You can find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
Parts of Aotearoa are at red, other parts are at orange. With My Vaccine Pass, you can access everything. Some places will have capacity limits at red and none at orange. Without My Vaccine Pass, there are more restrictions around where you can go and what you can do, including at events and most businesses. Scan in everywhere you go and wear a face covering when out and about. For details about your area's colour setting, go to covid19.govt.nz.
Iwa te kauma iwa I rono ki whangare nei iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hukurangi mōrene tiwi mai te reke reke o parihaka mau ngā rere atu ki te awa o hātea atu I te ao.
Mai ngā ngutu roa o te hātea ki konei ngā miti o te hanuiti.
Yeah, miti o te hanuiti. I like it.
It's right, it's iwi, ko tai tātou ki tēnei wāhanga. Topical news.
Aye. And we're crossing live this morning to Luke Bird, who's out on the street. Luke Bird, how are you? How's it going?
Yeah, thank you, Phoenix, for coming into this morning late. It's good to have you.
No pie for you.
I've got the topical news today, everybody. And the topical news is right here in the beautiful land of the Aotearoa. The Aotearoa, right down in the
yes,
Ngāti Kahungunu.
Putting the ow in Aotearoa.
But you know, I'm not a fan, but I'm very open about bowel, going for poos and just loose and heavy farting.
And your go-to song, Poos and Wees, make some please.
That's right.
I got you.
So a truck driver down in Puketitiri Road in the... Where is it? Oh, I've lost in the Hawke's Bay in Kahungunu land. Rolled his truck down a bank yesterday afternoon at 5:15 last night. However, his truck was loaded with portaloos. Portaloo.
Porta poos. Yeah.
Portapoos.
no.
So the police arrived, council
Poor
members
police.
arrived, and the police said to the
Council
workers...
members. Council
Yeah,
members.
that's what it says. The council
Those
members
council
arrived.
members did not arrive at that
What a
poo
load of
tipping
cucks.
scene.
What a load of cuck leader.
They're full of cats.
Quite literally. And then the fire department said, hey, to the council workers, clean this mess up.
No, they said clean this.
Shit up.
Yeah.
Clean this shit up. And
We
they
heard it
literally
the first
did.
time you said it.
It said, though, there was no spills of environmental impact. However, there was a large stench and a green tinge to the land.
Oh no.
Oh no, that's yuck.
Literally a load of cucks.
Whereabouts did you say it was, bro? Where
It
was
was
that?
on the crash was on Puketitiri Road between Puraiti Road and Quarry Ridge in Ngāti Kahungunu land.
Sorry, Kahungunu.
5:15 last night. I literally love the fact that you go, oh, that's a load of
Piho
cucks. And
power.
it literally was a load of cucks.
And they're known for being the Piho power. So it's just appropriate.
How inconvenient! Just coming from taking
anything
the Portaloos
Portaloos.
away.
Even if we're at like a concert or something and
Yeah.
Portaloos is way to go, I ain't going.
Yeah.
That's just a
There's
load
no
of cucks.
way.
You know, like,
Especially at a concert like
Yeah.
nah.
I got like just a tip for concert goers.
Okay.
If you go into the Portaloo, can you lock the door?
Oh yeah, they don't.
Like, bro, it's
Oh,
so
dude,
many
yeah.
times. Yeah, so
well,
many
you go
times.
open to go in and then someone there. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm sorry
It
for
must be
you.
in the guys section.
It must be a guy
Oh,
thing.
the
Because
girls
I
don't
open
do
it up and they just like because you know, like usually Portaloos are in the line, so it's not really like guy or girl, it's just Portaloo.
Yeah.
But like
Portaloo.
the amount of times I've opened the door and they're just like,
Just lock the
Lock
door.
the
It's right there.
And did you see
Stupid.
them all?
Huh?
You saw all of them.
Well, you know, you can, like, see-
you do get a glimpse. I vouch for Phoenix. I have
seated
Yeah.
person.
even at restaurants when you go to the toilet and then you got to open the door because it says vacant.
Yeah.
And there's a guy. Oh, sorry, just have it. Oh, no,
Hey,
Yeah.
man,
door.
I've never done
it
that.
happens
Yeah.
all the time at
Yeah.
the airport.
But I think I think the excuse for like Portaloos at concerts and that is because they, you know, like
They-
most people they've been
Hodangi.
drinking
Yeah.
hodangi, so they just like
Oh.
go in there, put the pants down.
You'd
and
have to be Heidegger to go in those things.
Yeah.
No,
I try and only mimic in them. Even then, I'm like,
I just and then you're holding your breath of the poo particles. Because you walk and you're like,
Yeah.
well, actually, you're breathing in the poo
no, I
particles.
take the breath before I go in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
another pro tip.
yeah.
No, that's right.
He's like on
the
the side of the
chicken.
concert and he's like, Portaloos over there. Then he
Actual.
makes it and then there's,
Because
Joe Blogg
now-
in there.
Yeah.
Those,
Oh, sorry.
those flash ones have like the new ones where you can pump the water to wash your
Yeah,
hands.
yeah.
But
Oh, nah.
usually you don't get those. You just get a hand sanitizer, which I don't like because it's
Yeah.
like, what if you've gone for a cucks?
Yeah.
And then you're using
Nah.
a hand sanitizer, there's no washing.
That's us for topical news. Anyway.
Sorry.
This is right up your alley.
Do you have another
literally,
story?
A load of cucks. It was awesome.
Yeah, I have a sad story.
Oh.
Nick Cannon.
Oh, yes, yeah.
His son, his baby, has been battling with a medical condition for the last. Yeah, he's 5 months old, and he just passed away this morning.
Oh.
Nick Cannon,
that's
one
sad.
famous
Yes,
actor,
Famous
Mariah Carey's
actor,
TV
baby daddy.
presenter.
TV presenter, America's
Yeah.
Got Talent, Drumline.
yes.
Oh,
Wildin'
Drumline.
Out,
his show,
Wildin' Out. Mm.
He's like the king of Ara E Mara games.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. They show Wildin' Out is all Iare Mara games. Anyway, miha
Yes.
tikiaya.
So
Sorry,
sad.
brought it down a bit.
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Yeah, pick it up.
Back to the
With what?
Portaloos.
With the fallen over Portaloo.
I just love that. It's a load of cucks.
Yeah.
Look, just everywhere, all over the land. Yum.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Aroha to Nick Cannon and his fun.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's very sad.
That is very sad.
Janet
Shot
Harris,
last
speaking of concerts, take your own loo paper.
Ah.
Now, is this a segue?
Yes, it is. I didn't go to a Portaloo, but at the 661 in Waitangi.
Yep.
Where did you go then?
We were at Chance and Tyler's motel.
Right.
Started in Waitangi before you get to the
Yes.
the grounds. Anyway, on the way there's a toilet on the corner. Huge line, but no one was actually going to the toilet because no one had any toilet paper.
You're like, bye.
But honestly, Jan and her handbags, I'm like, every day I'm like, what have you got in there? Honestly, it's like a Barney bag, but
Yes.
also it weighs like a Barney bag, but she takes it everywhere. And then she's just like, yoink, toilet paper in her bag. And I was like,
brilliant.
Kia ora.
Did you skip the
Whose
queue?
bestie has toilet paper? None of yours.
You're
Just
like,
mine.
bye. I'm going past you all.
Yeah,
with my
actually,
little-
Oh, you guys
I was,
can't.
I was like
You don't
doing
have.
the royal wave.
yeah.
Thank
Hands
you, to
up.
the front.
Move.
And then, the couple that just, still went. And I'm like, girlsy, there's no toilet paper in there. Don't go by that girl over there.
Yeah. Hey,
Yes.
single guy, I see you talking to that girl over there.
I
Yeah,
wouldn't.
Don't talk to that girl.
Come and talk to me instead.
Yeah,
No.
so Barney bag paid off.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yes, you could never hate on her Barney bag ever again after that experience.
Yeah.
That is amazing. Some people have
I
all
didn't.
sorts, and they're like a hair dryer, a little portable one, those little battery. No, okay.
Oh.
Right. It'll be portable mic. Like
Yeah.
Kinks.
Could you imagine if she's got a toilet roll? Was it a toilet
Mike.
roll?
Yeah, a whole roll.
A roll. That's amazing.
She came through with the backup.
Wow.
Yes.
Literally.
Oh. The backup for the backup.
Oh, kia ora.
Oh, that's amazing.
All right, that's topical news, I feel like.
Yeah,
Yes,
that was great.
did his birthday count as topical news?
No.
Stan Walker
It's
does.
Tatu's birthday. You're going to get more birthday shout outs. Stay tuned. It's Ngāti FM.
Aha kua te aha mukore Kia whakarono mai ki o I kore kore an Ka whakaro ake hea te aha E kore noa e tahi e rereke Kia maki o pai ka whiti Aha kua te kokei E mana nui tō te aki Hei aha te whakaruiti Tiro ki tua, tua rā e Whakarono ki nā wai o roto e Kei wehi te wehe nai toa wā Tiro ki tua, tiro ki tua, tua Tua, tua, tua E koro koro tui roto pā koro e Kia mai au e kore re re I mohi o he nui noa tura Tōku ora nai na te hira hira He ora nā nā kau kei tuara Tiro ki tua, tuara e Whakarono ki nā wai o roto e Kei wehi te wehe nai toa wā Tiro ki tua, tiro ki A ko te kokei He mana nui tō te aki Hei aha te whakaruiti Titiro ki tua Yeah, yeah Ki tua Titiro ki
Whakarongo ki te wai o roto e Kei wehi te wehe nai tawa Tiro ki tua, tua
Yeah.
Ngāti FM. It is 5 minutes to 8 o'clock at 8. Our news from Wātea. But you're listening to Ara E Mara.
Boom.
3/3 in the whare today.
Yes. Ara E Mara, you're here with all of us today, which has been pretty cool. If you just joined us, then you missed our amazing reverting game of Ara E Mara, where we played the kaupapa game, sung some Disney songs, which, I'll never be mad at an opportunity to sing Disney songs.
No, we love it. Actually, you'd be
I love a
great
good
actually in a
Disney
show.
song.
We should put you in a show.
Sure.
We should put
Here
you
we
in,
are
like,
not. Te kaupapa nui o te rangi nei is coming up, and this day is called Where's the Pies? At Wednesday.
Where the pies at?
Can't
And
wait.
the aroma of the pies is wafting here in the studio. So you're going to have to wait until after the
kia
news.
Ah.
Kia ū tonu mai.
Kia ū tonu mai koutou, because, yep, we have our news from Wātea. Very informative, great news.
Top
from
of the
Howard-
hour.
It's a
From
load of
Howard, I was going to say Howard Morrison, from Scotty Morrison. You know, great deal, good opportunity. Just listen and learn some great deal, man. You know, kia ū tonu mai is what I'm trying to say.
I love when we say listen and we actually just go out of the studio. Well,
No, you do. You're
See
going
you
to go
soon.
make a tea.
Yeah,
cup of tea, buddy, cup of tea.
But if you're keen for some pies, stick around. Also, still to come, a titi kupu e mana koe. Ngāti FM.
I breathe you in without fail. And then I think twice before I exhale. But you're not mine to keep. You told me you wanna be free. Yeah, you wanna keep it nice. You wanna keep it low key. Oh, but don't bring me down. Don't just try to understand me. Won't you come a little closer and let me whisper to you? And I say, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me say it to you. Oh, yeah. Oh, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me say it to you. Oh, now I know you're the type who throw my hopes away. You'd like to shake me up, to break me up night and day, and you can do what you like. I'm not trying to be your one and only. I'm just trying to make you feel good. So good, so good, so good, so good, so good. Oh, but don't bring me down. Don't just try to understand me. Won't you come a little closer and let me whisper to you? And I say, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me say it to you. Oh, yeah. No, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me say it to you. Oh, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me sing to you. Oh, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me sing. Just let me sing to you.
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e te iwi he tau nui te tau koe mahui ake nei o tira kuaro takehia te pānga o ngā piki me ngā heke o tēnei tau ki te ohanga Māori o Tāmaki Makaurau. E hari kua ana tētahi o ngā māngai o te Aoropu nā hinara māngai Māori nei ki te rārangitanga mai o ngā rangatira hou o te rōpu me ngā hā kinikina e whai ake nei. E marama pūrangi a hoa na tātou katoa ki ngā uatanga o te tau ko takoto o na piki me o na heke nā runga no hoki i te tainga mai o te kōwhiori a Delta ki a tātou. Hei tā te aranga Savage ka tahia no ka oti i a rātou. Te ohanga Māori o Tāmaki Makaurau, te arotake me te aha, kei te tino kitea te pānga o te kōwhiori a Delta me te noho rāhui whakamoho au ki te ohanga Māori o Tāmaki.
He hoki ngā mahara ki ngā āhuatanga, ngā paumahatanga o tēnei tau, te noho rāhui, te mate karauna, me ngā paumahatanga katoa i runga i a tātou katoa nā reira. Tēnā tētahi o ngā kitanga i hanga i a tiona ki tēnei pita tūro.
Kei te tino harikoa tētahi o ngā māngai Māori o te ropu nā hinara a Tu Williams. Ki te ahua o tā te kaiarahi hou tā Christopher Luxon whakarārangi mai i ōna rangatira hei kawe i te tohe kia reipa. Kia te huri ake tātou, kia Tu Williams.
Kei te harikoa te ngā kau i tēnei te kitenga atu i ngā whāngata o te ropu waha kōrero o te ropu nā hinara i roto i te whare mata. Rātau kua eke atu ki ngā tūranga hou. Nā rātau te waha kōrero mō ngā tini kaupapa. Me te kōrero atu Christopher Luxon, he paitana kōrero.
Kua whai wāhi kahurangi hinewehi mohi ki ngā whiringa whaiti o te whakataetae mo te tohu uri Aotearoa o te tau. Kia te huri ake tātou.
Te atamira mo te ao Māori, te reo Māori. Hoi anō he tino kaupapa. I ki te au i ngā ingoa a ngā tangata kua whiria. Tino ni haro anoa i wera tangata nā te mea o te nui o te mahi aha kua te aha. Te matatau o te tangata ki te mahi hā kina ki te whakahau te tangata ki te mahi pēra, ki a Lisa Carrington mā.
He maha ngā iwi ngā hapori o roto i te tai tokerau e ki ana ki a Ngāti Tāmaki Makaurau, kaua e hara mai ki konei. He wehi hoki no rātou kei horapa i te hunga o Tāmaki te kōwhiori ki Wainganui a rātou, aneira a Harata Brown o te karere me ngā whakamārama mo te hapori o Matauri.
Ara koira te karere nui i te hunga kāinga no Matauri. Reha ki te haere tonu pokanoa te hunga rā waho ki roto i tā rātou wā kāinga. Ka mahitahi rātou me te hunga pēnei te ope prihimana. Ngā hunga o tēnei o ngā wāhi e pātata ana kia rātou. Te hunga nei o whangaroa kia tautiaki, kia tāwharau i tērā o ngā wā kāinga.
Nō reire te iwi, koera ngā kōrero matua o te haora e whai ake nei ko ngā kōrero hā kinekina.
Tēnā koutou, ko wirimura tēnei, ko hau tō tātou kai whakapāho, mo te hōtaka nei a taipari tai timu. E tuku rere ana ki ngā taihana a iwi, me te ipurangi ki te ao whānui, mai te rahina ki te rāmere, ki te Wainganui pō ki te ono o ngā haora, ia ata. Kei roto i ngā hōtaka, ko ngā manuhiri tuārangi, me o rātou kaupapa, whakāturanga, kōrero, mea koutou waiata i te whākraka ki te ono. Nō reira, whakapiri mai ki a taipari tai timu. Te hōtaka, mo ngā kaumātua rangatira katoa, rāhina ki te rāmere.
Nā, kei te rere ngā kupu tātā, kei te rere ngā kupu whakahāwea, e pāna ki te kaiako i te kapa ōpango, ara e pāna ki a Ian Foster, whai muri hoa i ngā hingatanga karapipiti e rua o te kapa ōpango i a wiwi me airani i te mutunga o te tau tākaro. Hei tā he mana wāka, au taua futupōro, e pai ana ētahi wahanga o ngā mahi a Ian Foster.
Ki pēne pia kai te rawe te whakarite, ana opano a te kaiako a Foster mo tēnā tīma nā te mea kai te hohonu nā kai kākoro, kai roto i nā tūrana katoa, taka mai ki te tīma tuatahi, ki te tīma tuarua, me ki te tīma tuatoru, kai rira pāwhorotowana.
Nā, ka whai wāhi e tahi o ngā kaitākoro poi tūkohu o tēnei whenua ki te whakātui o rātou pūkenga ki te ao, mā runga i tētahi o ngā atamira hākinakina nui tai ore ore, arā mā te tau māhekeheke hoa whenua ka tū ki Birmingham i Ingarangi. Mō te wā tuatahi, ka kitea te momo whakarāpapototanga o te poi tūkohu e kia nei toru ki te toru i te tau māhekeheke hoa whenua. E maha hoki ngā toki Māori kua tākoro mā Aotearoa i tēnei momo poi tūkohu i ngā wā o mua. Ara pēnei ia Charles Walker, Ledger, Rawa ko Kendall Heremaya. Koe rā ngā hā kinakina, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko
nā te māngai.
99.1 North of Hikurangi. Te mita o te rohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
Join me on a journey visiting marae around Te Taitokero to discover untold stories of a different marae every week. Puke Pukero showcases talent, the tears, joy and effort made to keep marae alive by its people. Your marae could be next. Puke Pukero, 7 p.m. Sundays, only on
Ngāti Hine FM.
Me whakapapa te ora, hoki ki te tūā papa, connecting to practices that nurture well-being. Make sure you use the NZ COVID Tracer app. Signing in keeps a record of where you've been, helping keep you and others safe. The Tracer app keeps us a step ahead of the virus. The more we scare, the safer we'll be. This is just one way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Kia pū mō te ora, to maintain well-being.
Getting vaccinated is the best way to protect yourself and your whānau from COVID-19. To find your nearest vaccination centre, visit www.fightforyourwhakapapa.co.nz. Fight for your whakapapa. Get vaccinated.
Parts of Aotearoa are at red, other parts are at orange. With My Vaccine Pass, you can access everything. Some places will have capacity limits at red and none at orange. Without My Vaccine Pass, there are more restrictions around where you can go and what you can do, including at events and most businesses. Scan in everywhere you go and wear a face covering when out and about. For details about your area's colour setting, go to covid19.govt.nz.
Hey, I heard about Maya's leg. How's she doing?
She's getting there, eh? It's been pretty frustrating for her not being able to do sport. And physio...
It does sound frustrating. And expensive for you guys.
It's actually fine. She's been helped by ACC.
Thought she did it doing sport at school.
She did, but ACC covers tamariki wherever they are when they get injured. At home, school, wherever. They helped with medical costs and physio, and even paid for the crutches and other stuff she needed while she had the cast on.
That's awesome.
If tamariki get injured in an accident anywhere in Aotearoa, ACC is here to help them, including financial support for medical services, care and equipment. Find out how we support Aotearoa at acc.co.nz/tamariki.
Te rea atu ana I te awa o Hātea, Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa I rono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hukurangi mōrena e te iwi o here with the crew, myself, Luke Bird and Marcio Hopa. Mai te whutu karaka, tainoa ki te iwa karaka.
Aye.
You are welcome. Mihi mai nā.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to the
Rere atu ki te awa o Hōtio. Oh yeah.
Nah, get out.
In the rubbish.
Welcome to the good life. Hey. Bring it up to the back and to the front. Hands in the sky and drop it down low.
Hey, yeah.
Move it around and cowboy. And cowboy.
Yeah.
Alrighty, Tiwi, Ara E Mara, no mai hoki mai ki tēnei haura tuarua. Right now we're going to kick it off with the weather and then we're going to get into where's the pies at weather.
That is right. The weather currently is 20.1 degrees and it only should feel like 22, so it's pretty much on the money. High of 25 degrees here in Te Whangaore, and also a high of 24 degrees in Tamaki Makovid. It's your first proper week of freedom, Tamaki Makovid. I hope you're enjoying all the pros and cons of your traffic light system. Because we are.
Yes.
And also, it is cloudy at times, the odd morning shower, light winds, and sunsets at 8:30 p.m. tonight.
Kia ora, e mihi ana ki e rā pūrongo. Speaking of, what do you call it? that time that you're
Sunset,
talking about.
8:30 p.m.
Oh, Tamaki McCovid and about being
Traffic
onto
lights?
it.
Yes.
I finally downloaded my pass.
Yay!
It'll take 2 minutes.
Yeah, literally.
Have you been able to use it?
No, I haven't needed to, but I'm about to after this. Te hoki ngā tu ki te gym.
Yes.
I've been blaming it on that 2 weeks. I've been trying to download my pass. No, it's been 7 whole days that I haven't been to the gym, and I tell you, I feel so guilty. Anyway, Ki ngā tai o whangarei, high tide is at well, I said it was 11:30, but it's actually at 10 to 12. And low tide,
that's a really big
I said it was
difference,
at
Marcia.
5:30, but it's actually at 10 to 6. Like, it's 20 minutes difference to what I
Yeah,
said.
20 minutes ago.
The tide's changed, okay?
We're walking the lighthouse track at Tutukaka, and that depends on the tide. Neck minute.
Oh.
Neck minute.
He's stuck on the rocks, Tenny.
Pretty much.
Right, and now, Hitotato Maramataka.
Okay.
Sexy Maramataka.
Sexy. Push your sexy button voice, Phoenix.
All right. Hi, guys. So it's Phoenix here, and I'm back. It's like when Urkel jumps in that machine. Yeah.
Oh, yes. And who does he change to?
The hottie.
Yeah, but what's his
like,
name?
what's
It was
his
like
name?
Tyrell or
Tyrell,
something.
yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, definitely. If not Tyrell, or something like
I really
that.
liked Steve
Tyrone.
Urkel. He was amazing.
Yeah. Did I do that?
I like Urkel.
Okay, sorry.
Anyway, here we go. Maramataka. Ina po I kōrero atu ki a hina. I te tiro ahau. Ki rungara, kōrero atu ki aia. Pata atu. E aha te wāhanga o te mārama I tēnei pō e hina. Ko tāna whakautu, ko ōkura, koro, te wāhanga o tēnei mārama. I was like, wow. That's cool. Thank you, Hina. So, he aha te kōrero e pāna ki tēnei wahanga. She said to me, make contact. They will answer today with enthusiasm. Koera tana kōrero aki aki.
Wai, ru, wa,
Make contact.
Answer with
enthusiasm. Aye.
Yes. Sexy Maramataka.
I think I'm
was.
just going to keep this for the rest of the show.
Oh my
I
god,
dare
I
you.
find that super, super hot.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
But I don't want to look at your face.
I bet
Oh,
you, I
gosh.
bet you do.
Can you do a...
Te nakwa.
That sounds like, they do the voice recording on... Not the voice recording, on the safety procedures. They always, on Jetstar, they always do it under their breath. So it's like, welcome aboard this flight for you.
Yeah, they do too.
It's always under.
Yeah. Hard out.
Jetstar.
You will
Don't go
find
with
the
him.
call bell above your head for any assistance, please.
Yes.
Call bell above your head.
Yes,
Oh,
actual.
wow.
When the pilots talk too,
Yeah,
that's
you're
how they
Can you not
talk.
tell you, no one can hear you.
Nah, see, like, when the pilots talk, I'm like, you just interrupted my movie. You
Yeah,
did.
actual. Sure, Captain speaking. Just letting you know, we'll be coming into a little bit of turbulence and. Like,
Wow. That was impressive
Yeah,
turbulence. Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Listen to
yeah.
those flights coming into Wellington, man.
Oh, yeah. And you're holding on to oh, this is fine, but really you're like,
Oh, bro, actual. On the inside, I'm just like,
I like turbulence.
Tour.
And especially the drop ones.
Oh, the
drop ones are yo.
Here, Kawa Bridge.
Yeah. But like Coco Bridge, and then
Time
maybe
somewhat.
after
Or free
30
fall.
seconds, you're like, okay, you can stop now, but I still like it.
We went like one day we were doing that turbulence drop, and then like it was so cloudy over the Wellington airport that we couldn't land, so we had to turn back and come to Whangarei.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, I
Go
was
all the way to
oh.
Wellington.
Yeah, we got all the way there, but because they were hoping by the time we got there that the fog would have lifted enough for them to see the runway,
Wow.
but they couldn't. So we had to turn. We did a big. He was like, "We're gonna go in and see how close we can get."
Oh,
They went down. They're like, "No, Turned back around. Ended up back in Whangarei.
Yeah.
Wow.
We've got also 100 cities before we get back to Whangarei. We'll land in Whangarei.
Yeah.
Clear.
We'll just go back. We'll just go back. You guys don't really want to go to Wellington, do you?
Yeah.
Let's go back to Whangarei.
Stupid idea.
Stupid.
Whangarei, Wellington, Edua. That's what he was thinking, yeah.
If you tuned in, you know what day it is. Where's the Pies at Wednesday?
Oh, that's right.
And they can wait till after this.
Oh,
it's
my
Paul
jam.
Aotea. See ya. Aotea FM. Woo.
Let's go.
Picture this, Moldy boy cruising around in a Lamborghini. Cops give me a wave instead of pulling. Every time they see me, global like white TT Azora, sipping that dry martini. Ooh, Kenna instead of caviar, we fly. Picture this, brown excellence. What a sentiment? Late night shows with Moldy Letterman. One by one, the cuzzy settling. Fresh as a peppermint, dripping like dropping a bunch of ketamine. Sir, I'm in the right place with the right face in the right seat, fitting nicely. Cuz just chillin' how my brown people does. One love, Mickey Young a teeth in a drug. Rags to riches, with plenty. So many rough faces, it's matatini. When I do me, mahiti Ghana. Takumata Bukana, Uhiana. Yeah, some fried bread with my butter. Soaked in Ikamata. B-side with the brothers. Coolin'. Stubbies in the boardroom. 100K deals, and I'm back into my broadroom. Booming. Push the start, retro game, car zooming. Whip like I flick my wrist, they assuming. Just chillin' how my brown people does. One love. Mickey Young, I take the jerk.
He mea tautoko na te mangai.
Iwa te kaumai. Iwa te kaumai iwa. Ira tahi atu e hikuragi mō e koutou katoa.
Kia ora. Ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga ki nei ko Where's the Pies at Wednesday.
Where the pies at?
So excited.
Where the pies
So
at.
excited.
Kei konei ngā pies. Kei konei. Right
He
here.
kone. Ko kone ngā pies.
Hey.
Woo! We got today. So today, like as of late, we've been doing well, we haven't done one for a while, but we usually have a steak and cheese and a bacon and egg pie. But I grabbed a steak and cheese and a mince and cheese because my ruka whānau swear by the mince and cheese from Faux Valley Bakery.
Okay. And you haven't done that before?
I'm not a big mince and cheese guy at all, really. But my family are like, if you go Faux Valley, mince and cheese, mince and cheese.
Okay. So what should we start off with first?
Mince and cheese.
Okay,
all right. Let's do it.
What I'm really excited about the fact that it's a square pie.
Yes.
It's the first square one we've had. Look at that.
Yeah. Orite
Oh,
kia.
I can see the cheese from
Can you
here.
see the cheese
Orite
oozing
kia.
out?
Georgie pie.
If you're watching online, there is some cheese oozing out. And if you're listening at home, there is a good layer of cheese at the top part there, just slightly oozing at the front. It's got
ASMR, I'm just going to bite it.
It's got good meaty, gritty, like meaty. So here we go.
Yum. This is like one of the mornings that I've actually wanted the pie.
Oh, it is yum.
Oh, yeah,
That looks good.
It's yum because it's like,
No, thank you. You touched
you
it.
know how mince is like usually like running?
This is solid.
Yeah, it's like nice.
Like actual mint straight from the
Yeah,
pan in
yeah.
the, in
Yeah,
the
look at
pie.
And
Eat
the
it.
pastry is lovely. It's a nice flaky pastry. It's not too crumbly.
Yeah, that's yum.
Now,
Right. Yes, it looks like a light pastry.
Got cheese right off the bat too.
Looks like a nice golden colour. They've got the timing right.
I'll try some.
No, thank you.
It's very, very good.
That is yum.
You know, if I put a pie on a plate, I want sauce with it. But then if it's just in the paper bag, I don't mind eating it like that. It's weird.
That's funny.
I would definitely go back for one of these.
Get it. Right.
Yeah, so
Where's
if
the
you're a
pies
Mince and
at
Cheese
Wednesday?
fan, Faux Valley Bakery.
Yeah, that should go up. Now, they're homemade? Yes, right.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
Right.
They made them in the bake.
They roll them out. They make the mince. They don't fry it in.
Oh, okay.
What? They buy what in?
The pies. People buy pies in.
Oh,
no, not in a bakery.
Some people do.
Do they get them
actually?
sent?
If you go to
what's the point of owning a bakery?
Some people don't though. Some people don't make their own pastry in their pies.
Oh,
really?
Yeah.
I just assumed if you're buying from a bakery,
it's made that
they were-
morning.
Yeah.
Except for
that one we had and it was
Riverside.
terrible.
That was
no, it was Manu, remember?
No, it wasn't. It's Manu. They reheated it.
That was honestly was like, oven burn. Like it's been there for like 2 days.
Oh,
That was
pie
gross.
warmer.
Anyway,
2 days.
that mince and cheese was yum,
that should
and
go
the
up.
pastry's nice, eh? Soft
It looks nice.
Now this is this steak and
Steak
cheese?
and
Or this-
cheese.
Okay, there's a big bit of steak. Here, look at that.
steak and
Can
cheese.
you see the cheese? Can't
Yes,
see the,
I can see a little bit. Not like
Is it real cheese? Oh, you know, like grated some cheese and put it in there.
Oh,
it's not like gooey
Oh.
cheese, you know.
Oh, is the steak too much?
Mine's just.
Oh, fatty.
No, it's just
Oh, it's coming out.
Mine's got a lot of jelly in it. Sorry.
Ah, is it because it's cold?
No, it's just because there's one big munga piece of meat there. Look at it.
Yeah.
And
Oh
the
yeah, it's
rest
pretty
that's with
peppery
je-
too.
Yeah, mine's
I just got a
peppery.
big chunk of pepper.
Okay, so mince and cheese tick, steak and cheese no
See,
tick.
that's jelly. That there is just jelly. Watch if you're watching at home.
Oh.
Jelly. There's no meat in that. But there's the meat. Let's try the meat.
I just got a big chunk of steak and it was like super dry.
But that's all the steak I've got. That's just jelly.
Eat it.
Oh, I got another steak.
Go in, my mate.
I just ate the steak.
I got cheese too, which is yum.
Okay, value for money.
Oh, how much did that
Oh
cost?
shit, I didn't even know.
Oh, this much
It's
cheese.
supposed to be a good part of
Yeah, I
it.
forgot. I'm just so rich, you know. I don't actually.
Yeah,
I never look at the
baller.
bill.
Tell me you're rich without telling me you're rich.
I actually did it. How much was it? Nah, I can't remember.
$4, $3.50, $4.50.
5.
I wanna
Surely
say-
not 5.
Yeah, like 450ish must be.
Yeah.
I'll double check. Oh, yeah, I don't know, but I like I didn't see the amount and go, "Whoa, that's a crazy amount."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Now my mouth is full, but mince and cheese, 100% a goer.
Okay.
Steak and-
Rating?
Steak and cheese is not my favorite. Sorry, it's good, but it's just not my great favorite. I would give the mince and cheese like an 8.
Okay.
It was my favorite mince and cheese we've had so far.
Oh, okay. Well, I think it's like one of your first.
Oh, is it? Oh. The steak and cheese, not my fave.
Okay.
Yummy though, better than some others though that we've rated lower. So I would give that probably a 6 or a 7.
Ai, kei te tautoko?
Yeah, I took both of those.
All right. Well, mihi ana i te Faux Valley Bakery.
It's a winner.
Where's the pies at Wednesday? Go get it.
Faux Valley
Mince and
Bakery.
cheese.
It's definitely worth the trip.
Okay. Very shortly, it's Te Kupu, Ngā Tahine FM.
And the moment that you wandered far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly me, and it's me. How deep is your love? It's your love. Is your love. I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, yeah, breaking us down, yeah, when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me.
I believe in you.
Yeah.
You know the door to my very every soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall, and you may not think that I care for you when you know you're down inside. I really do. Maybe you need to show how deep is your love. It's your love, how deep is your love. I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong. Breaking music, come on, say it. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down, yeah, when they all should let us be. We belong. Come on, let's say it one more time. Y'all help us. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. One more time for Yeba.
Matihine FM. Iwa te kauma iwa i te tahi, tō mita, tō rohe.
Parts of Aotearoa are at red, other parts are at orange. With My Vaccine Pass, you can access everything. Some places will have capacity limits at red and none at orange. Without My Vaccine Pass, there are more restrictions around where you can go and what you can do, including at events and most businesses. Scan in everywhere you go and wear a face covering when out and about. For details about your area's colour setting, go to covid19.govt.nz.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. With someone who understands, a great way to help you feel confident making the decision right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
Getting vaccinated is the best way to protect yourself and your whānau from COVID-19. To find your nearest vaccination centre, visit www.fightforyourwhakapapa.co.nz. Fight for your whakapapa. Get vaccinated.
Te Rauora is celebrating our essential workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our gratitude and aroha before Christmas by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your Ngā Mihi through your social media network and stay connected for up-and-coming events, competitions and celebrations. You can find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
Te mita o te rohe. Matihine FM.
Iwa te kaumai wa iro no ki whangarei nei mai te rekereke o parihaka maunga rere atu ki te awa o hātea atu I te ao morena e te iwi ohe atu I te patchy tanga o miti patchy o te hokianga. E Ara E Mara.
E Ara E Mara.
That's right.
We everywhere. We're in WA, New South Wales.
That's right. We're in the UK.
The UK. We're in Tunangi.
We're in what's that American place that person said they're from?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh, yeah.
Pennsylvania, is that what you're going to say?
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, shout out to Tuhi. It's his birthday today.
Yes,
he gets 3.
Te kaumā ono ana tau.
Te kaumā ono.
I know, we're old.
Holy heckero.
Te kaumā ono.
I still think.
Mea nei tana tau
I
te
honestly, you know, I honestly still think
he's
Hui
5.
is Te Tuhi.
Like
that's where my
Hui's
mind
still a
goes.
teenager?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's where my mind goes because I was around like with Joby when Hui was like little, and then I kind of missed him grow up into an adult, and then so now when I see Te Tuhi, I think of Hui, but that's not.
No, Hui's enduring crate day.
Yes.
And Te Tuhi, yes.
Oh,
Te
he's-
kaumā ono.
Wow, I remember he was a
Tuhi baby.
You were playing
Tuhi.
our little Jesus in the nativity play.
And now he's like a little a little Modako Kapahaka prodigy.
Prodigy.
Marcia's like, don't give him that. Don't give him that. He's already got too much confidence.
And you're not just
Nah, he's good. He's good. He's a goer. He's
He is.
he's
Yeah.
a trier.
He's
He'll
awesome.
just give it a go, and if you need him to do something, he'll do it.
Yeah.
That's right.
Like if you, especially with the raka, whatever,
Rako,
he's
fucking
very
Hui.
confident that. Like, bro, I need you to go. He'll do it.
Yeah.
Love
Rako-
it.
Rako, fucking Hui.
Takes direction, and he delivers.
Yeah. Nah, he's mean.
But also, like he's bringing up his little nephew
Oh.
to be exactly the same as
Yeah,
him. He's
boy.
like a mini me. To
Oh,
Is that
I
Toda?
love that.
Toda and Tuhi.
Yes, that's
He's
mean.
in the pod.
Bring him up.
So happy
bring him up.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
To Tuhi, I was going to say Toda.
Te Toda.
Happy birthday, Toda's Ankara.
Ankara.
Aye.
Ankara.
Happy birthday.
All right. We are going to get into
yes.
Iti Te Kupu, but before that, you're going on like a
Yes.
house
So I just
function.
had some, he wahi pātai taku.
Kia ora.
To you guys listening at home. So I'm going to an auction today.
Yeah.
For a whare. And so just really from our listeners now, I want to know if you've got any tips
Ooh.
for like going to home auctions. Because like I've never been to an auction, let alone a home one. And I'm quite competitive.
Yeah.
So like what if like some guy's next to me and he's like putting his hand up and I'm like put my hand up and then it's gone way over my budget, but I just want to win. Now, but so if you've got some tips at home,
Jen will come after you. Yeah, she will.
yeah. So if you've got some tips about just home buying in general
Yeah.
or buying homes at an auction, let us know. What's the strategy? Like I started YouTubing last night,
Okay.
like auction strategies.
Oh.
And there was auctioneers giving you tips as to like how and one of the auctioneers was like, you walk in there and you make your presence known. When they ask for that bidding number to
High.
start off, you boom.
Oh, so they
Set
know.
it.
Oh, he's
Yeah,
serious.
yeah.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
a contender.
Yeah, that's what they say. So
Oh.
you know, like, boom. And then they said another
Sold.
good tactic.
Yeah.
Yeah, another good tactic is to throw out like out of it numbers, like 630 and a half.
Oh.
Like, you know, so because
Why?
because people who are there, they're trying to figure out their budget and like,
Oh, you're throwing
630
them
and a
off.
half,
Okay.
630 and a half. What does that mean? What does that mean for us? You know, so they do that.
Oh.
So you like you throw out like numbers like that in quarters and fractions. And because he said like if you
You're
go
so going to.
if you if you go in
630 and a half.
Yeah.
637, 50, 80 cents.
yes, exactly. And that's what they said because people will start to get like a little bit like, oh, what's our budget? What's that number? What did he just say? And then so it kind of throws them off a
Hey,
little
look,
bit.
Generator's got an idea. Shall we all come to the auction to put the other bidders off?
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
we'll bring our Tino
Yeah.
Tino flags.
Yeah. Like, can you guys park
Or should we-
outside like you live there? Or
Yeah,
like
maybe
you're
as
the
neighbours.
Yeah.
Yes, that's quite funny.
I'll bring my crate.
Yeah. Just park at the neighbor's house like you live there and just be like, yo, when we get there. And then people are like, oh, I don't
they'll
want
be
to buy
like,
this.
oh, yes, please.
Yeah.
And all the bids go crazy.
Yeah. And then you can do bench press out on the lawn.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that. I've got some mates in Tiki who could definitely look that part, so I might ring them up.
Oh, no.
Or can you come park at
No, very
these two
cool.
houses?
My
I
only
know
tip
that
is
happened
don't
in
go in there with a itchy nose.
Oh, my God.
And another bit.
Sold!
You just outbidded yourself.
Yeah.
3.2 million.
So the person with hay fever.
That's exciting, though, that you get to go do that. That's good.
Yeah. So we had to so we just got pre-approved. Wow, pre-approved with conditions. There was a couple of conditions that we had to sort out, but we've sorted those out. So therefore, hopefully, we're pre-approved now.
Let's
Cool,
go.
That's so good.
Yeah,
I want to
yeah.
buy a house.
Yeah, it's
Buy one.
possible. It's possible.
I can, not just yet.
Yeah,
Well,
it's
I will,
possible.
just not just yet. It's just like everyone's buying houses. I'm like, how do you?
Hey,
Yeah.
stop comparing.
Yes, comparison is the thief of joy.
Kia ora.
Yes.
Tell yourself.
Yes, no, I do that literally every day.
Oh, I just got kicked off.
Oh,
No, you're there.
Can Luke say Yowza again?
Luke. Yowza!
Oh no!
Who's that?
No,
Oh,
I do
gosh.
not approve.
From your mum.
Auntie Oriole.
Oh, this is my mum.
Crack up.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's iwi. If you've got any tips, tono
Yeah,
mai.
send us through,
Never
you
too
know,
late.
tuku notia mai o koutou kōrero aki kia au.
Oh, kia
That'll be
ora.
great.
Oh, you are frozen.
Let's go. Who?
Me.
Look like you're having a kicker on my
Oh,
side.
and
Oh,
yours.
God.
Hua no, hoki mai. Oh, kei kona. I'll let you back in for this wahanga. It's a te kupu. Yeah.
Call it, blow back, call it, blow back, call it, blow back. I love this song. Oh, God, you played it again.
Did I get back?
Yes, you're there.
Yes.
Oh, all right. Okay. Ai whānau, kua tai tātou ki te rewanga kia nei ko iti te kupu. Ai, nui te kōrero, nui te whakaaro.
It's absolutely right.
An opportunity to whakaaka.
We'll take it.
Whakaraka. Whakaako te reo Māori, tētahi kupu whakarite, ia te rā. Tō tātou nei kupu whakarite, I tēnei ata.
You're just hiding yourself from the camera.
Oh, I tēnei ata. Is he pōkai mārearea.
Oh,
I've heard it.
Mārea.
Whakataka pōkai with
Mārea.
Pōkai mārearea.
He
He
pōkai.
manu?
Kao.
Pōkai.
No, I don't know
He
this
momo.
one.
Shelter?
Kao.
Hoo-hoo grub.
Kao. That would be a hoo.
Pukeko on the purgatory.
Yeah.
Five big fat pigs.
We should sing that.
That's
So, like, let's
that's
record it. Let's do that for our Christmas sign off. Singing
yeah,
that song, the New Zealand one. Let's do it. Anyway, he pōkai mārearea.
No.
Pōkai.
Pōkai.
Pōkai. Oh, why? It's just my Māori today is off.
Pōkai mārearea.
How te
What's
tahi tīwhiri?
Te mārearea he momo ika.
Oh.
Ah,
No, I don't know.
shiny.
Oh, flounder.
Ka.
Pōkai.
He momo ika tino iti.
Oh, pork. It's like
It's,
a person that likes fine detail.
Oh, I like that.
Kahore.
Intricacy.
Kahore.
About the
That, it means no.
Oh, pai te wānanga.
A person who's into the intricacy of kōrero.
Oh, no.
What? But it sounds like an interesting rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Pōkai. Pōkai ha?
He pōkai mārearea.
Something, a small fish, although
Yeah,
you're
teeny
a small
tiny fish.
in a big
Pond.
sea.
You've got quite a lot of talent.
Nui tonu tō mana.
Aye. Oh,
That's a
nui
yeah.
tonu tō mana. I like
That's a
that.
good. I could see how you would get to that whakaaro, but in terms
Nothing
of
to
this
do with
puka,
pōkai.
Has it got to do with that fish, that little tiny fish that always sits on the back of a shark? So it's like, you can't get me because I'm like that guy.
Yeah, that's a
That
good
little
one.
wee fish, and he's always like,
Yeah.
I've
No,
got the,
it's not
I've got
that.
the mana here because he's my mate.
Yeah, it's not that, but that is a good one
Ah,
too.
damn it.
Those are both good
Okay,
whakaaro, I
another
think.
tīwhiri?
What's another one? The particular fish that I'm talking about goes great in
Sushi. Snapper.
fritter.
White bait.
Yes.
So why would you be likened to
Whitebait.
white bait?
Yeah.
There's thousands
That's
of you
That's the question.
They
Why
taste-
would you be likened
to a white bait.
They taste
They're
great.
seasonal?
This is it tastes great. No, none of those.
They're not plentiful.
They're the further south?
Yeah. They go good with eggs.
No.
They have big
Pōkai
eyes.
mārea. So it's got to do with ō rātou whanonga.
No, I'm lost now.
All
I'm thinking is the white bait frog
Mehe
now. I'm
mea e
hungry.
mataku ana rātou. Tō rātou whanonga.
They
stay
swarm.
together.
No.
They scatter.
Yes.
To like
scatter.
To go, well, okay, guys, you go this way, we go
Split
left,
up.
you go right.
Split
Go!
up. They're gonna get us. Split up. Oh, they got Marty.
They got the rookers. They got that whole whānau. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, so it's pretty much that. A whitebait is a very small fish with a slender body. If you sprinkle water or throw a stone into the water near whitebait, they quickly disperse out of fear. So it's that. This kupu whakarite has a similar meaning to that of a skinny fish. So it's just like for...
Oh, they run away from things.
just being scared. Like,
Oh.
stuff hits the fan.
That's...
They're out of there. They're gone. We're scattered.
later, Bob.
Yeah.
Pōkai Marere.
Yeah,
Ai,
yes.
koe tira
Yeah.
i ngā insects. Ngangara.
Ah, yes, yeah.
He pōkai mare ara.
Oh, he
Later,
pōkai.
Bob.
Look. Oh, e ki te tetahi punga were were. He pōkai mare ara.
He moth. Pōkai mare ara.
Yeah.
He ant.
Oh,
Pōkai mare ara.
Just anything with more than 4 legs. Marcia's
Actual,
out of
what
there.
are you doing? Pōkai mare ara.
So, anei tetahi.
Actual, even if a bird comes close, pōkai mare.
Anei tetahi tauira. E mahi hianga ana ngā tauira. Heoi, ka tai mai ana te kaiako, kua oma ki o rātou tēpu noho ai. Mehe pōkai mārearea. Those kids were playing up. But as soon as the teacher arrived, they ran and sat at their tables. They were like a school of whitebait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so when they all like, you know, when like you and your workmates are mucking around and talking, and then the boss comes and you're like,
okay, just
you don't scatter, you go, you like go back.
Yeah. It's just it's anything out of fear, pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, can you get those
Any
files
action.
next time, thanks. Yeah, thanks for that meeting.
Yeah, and then you go, whoop, or like, oh, boss is coming.
Yeah. Or it's like, ko tai ki tēnei wāhanga, e te tikapu.
Yeah. Oh, have you got that website that you were supposed to finish last week?
Oh, have you done the tour?
Yeah. When you won it? Yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sweet.
Yesterday, 12 days ago.
Yeah.
Are you able to get some pies?
Yes, but it'll make me late though.
Yeah.
And then he mea no, he rerenga no, I pōhehe mātou he kēhua te tangira. Koia mātou I oma ai pēnei I te pōkai mārearea. We mistakenly thought that sound was a ghost. That's why we ran like a school of whitebait.
Amazing.
Yeah, he kēhua te tangira. Koia mātou I oma ai pēnei te pōkai mārearea.
Oh, kia ora.
Yes.
Ai tērā.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Pōkai mōre there, sold in its own ear.
Yeah.
Hey, whakamutu, just for you, Luke. Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's the whole song. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even know what this is because he's never heard
this is my song!
I love this song!
Here it comes. Not yet.
No, it's not. Okay. We did that. But
we had a
you get to appreciate
How did
the
you
song.
find it?
I just remembered it.
No, but how did you find this? Where did you get it? Like, to start with. To use
YouTube.
it.
Oh, no.
And that was on that Don't Make It Orcs.
Yes, it was Don't Make It Orcs. Oh.
Oh, it's so different.
Yes.
It's Galimatius. Is that how you say it? Galimatius.
I love this song.
There you go. Add it
he
to your
sounds
music
cute.
sound list. Or soundless playlist. hey. Anyway, that's the one show that Luke goes on about every day, and I thought, why not bring it to you?
Yes. What a treat. Hey, Merry Christmas. That's your present.
That's your present. You're welcome.
Can you play another button just for another plug?
Okay.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Or are you talking about the
12 Days of Christmas?
No, we went. Yes. Hey,
Thanks,
guys.
Aussie.
Wonderful time of the year.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Say hello to all our elves, our staff today. Go down the aisles. Everybody gets a prize.
That's right, everybody. So
Yes.
starting next Monday, one of you lucky viewers or listeners out there will take away a prize every day up until the 23rd
Yes.
of December. On the 23rd, we're giving away not one, not two, not three prizes. On the 23rd, we're giving away what? 12 prizes.
On the 23rd is 4. I knew where you were going with
You
that.
didn't
Yeah.
say it, though, because you were confused. And I was like, 12 days of Christmas.
So it's 12 days of Christmas, and that we've got 12 prizes to give away, but we're not here right up till Christmas because who wants to do that? So we're giving away 4 prizes
on the
23rd.
Yes.
And Marcia will post the link today.
Yes. So all you got to do, Whānau, is tag away. Yeah. Yes, it's done. Yes. So all you have to do is tag your mates in the post. Follow us on our Instagram pages.
Yes.
Phoenix_CGF at Luke Bird
0
and then at Marcy Girl or
Just
something.
at Nifa.
Yeah, at
Nifa Creative.
And then the Ara E Mara page. And also, so once you go in the draw, you stay in the draw. So you can have the opportunity not only win one prize, but multiple.
Every prize.
Yes, that's right. It's a batters up.
Luke
Christmas
Bird.
batters up for prizes from all around Whangarei Te Taitokero.
One of the
Tell us some prizes.
Well, one of the greatest prizes is you're going out for dinner with who? The host of E Mara, E Mara!
E Mara. What's that show?
Can we
I've
tag
never seen that one.
ourselves? You can tag whoever you like, Sarah K. Hetele Tuvai.
Yeah. So also, there's prizes. I talked to the owners of Taiao last night.
Let's go.
And they've got some merch available for
Woo!
prizes. So we've got gears from Taiao.
Yes.
We've got potential gym memberships.
We've got Pilates, 5 classes of Pilates for free.
That's right.
We've got a $100 key voucher for any
That's
of their
right.
5 restaurants.
At the key.
And we're not lying. You will be able to go out for dinner
Yes.
with us.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. That's
At
right.
our favourite Whangarei restaurant.
McDonald's.
It's a fave. Also, we're going to have our favourite pie, free pies for a whole week.
We've got
From our
Yeah,
favourite
boy.
pie of Whangarei.
That's
of the
right.
year.
We've also got a $50 Hello Pickle voucher for their local cafe. We've got a $100
Let's
Pack and
go.
Save voucher. And any one of you can win this, but you have to go in the draw. That's the
That's
way
right.
it works.
All the details come out today. All a part of this kaupapa.
12 days of Christmas!
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Dong, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Yes, that's it, Whānau. So you got to be in it to win it. Tag yourself, tag your friends, whoever. And then you
Yes.
get to go to dinner with E Mara, E Mara.
Yes, let's
Those
go.
are amazing.
That sounds great. Righty, Tiwi. And now
You're
we're
paying
coming
for
next.
it, though. That's kind of in the fine print. You get to come, but you're paying for it.
That's right. FM.
Empty pizza boxes on the floor, empty liquor bottles from before. You find your comfort in between the sheets. Way too afraid to take it to the streets. Confidence just went out the window. So down, can get up, get more.
trying to get to you. I've been trying to get through to you. Oh, tell me if you hear me. Tell me if you're listening. Oh, I've been trying to get to you. I've been trying to get through to you. Oh, tell me if you hear me. Tell me if you're listening. Oh, if you understand, say, wake up, wake up, get up, get up, get out of bed, stop wasting time. Wake up, get up, get up, get out of bed, stop wasting time.
I o te kau mai wa iro no ki whangarei nei mai te maihara nui o Luke Bird.
Ngā maihara nui.
Maihara?
Or just one maihara?
Nah, just the one. I'm just talking about the one. Sorry. Yeah, just the
I knew you
glutes.
were. Rocking hard.
Rocking hard. So between a rock and a hard place.
Hey, if you know
that's where you want to be.
That's right.
Oh, wow. You couldn't just stop it.
And by rock and a hard place, I mean, nah.
I just got that when you said between. I thought, oh my
yeah.
gosh. Stop.
So while we're talking about big muscles,
oh yeah.
So we were talking to Luke Bird. Why do I keep saying your whole name?
I know, I love it. It's great.
Yeah, we were talking to Luke
like
about
2 syllables.
Luke Bird. It is 2. So we were talking about he just got a PB the other day on the bench press.
Peanut butter jelly.
Oh, peanut butter and jelly. On his bench press, and then someone was there like, oh, that's good, but I got this much. I'm like, oh,
I know.
Neighbours shamed him. That's shame.
No, because I honestly don't think his intention was to be an egg, but I was like, why would you say that?
Yeah.
When I've been literally like,
yeah.
And it wasn't light, it was heavy.
Yeah.
It
was a
5
good
rounds.
Do people do that?
What?
Like, oh, but I got.
I've never like I was talking about off here. All the fellas that I work out with, like it doesn't matter if you lift 200 kilos or 5 kilos, you're getting the same congratulations. Like everyone's because you know it's a personal journey, person to person. Like everyone's gonna lift different, and like there's difference in like I weigh more, so therefore I should lift it a little bit. Like it's just variations, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
like it's all everyone's personal journey. So if you do well, then accolades, all of them have
the
all
thing
of them.
that gets me though with Luke, you lifted heavy.
Yeah.
I did. I was my personal best because I don't like to know what the number is when I'm doing it because otherwise I
bit of a
I
mental
psych
block.
myself
Yeah.
out. So when I done the last round, my trainer's like, that was your PB. I was like, what? He's like, that was awesome. And I was like, what was it? He goes, 115.5. I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
So 115 kilos, 115 and a half kilos bench press.
Bench press
for
for
3.
That's lying on your back, eh?
Yeah, for
Just
3.
for us,
and then I was like
novice
so
people out
chuffed. I was like,
here.
oh, that's cool. And then this guy come up and he goes, oh, that's awesome, bro. But he goes, believe it or not. That's what he said. Like, believe it or not, I've actually lifted 122. And I'm like,
is he tiny?
Yeah. So I thought, well, okay, cool, but are you trying to make me be emasculated?
Yeah, you kind of take away from my moment a little bit there, sir.
What did you say?
I was like, wow, really? And I was just like,
you should have
"Listen,
said it
I'll
in a
punch your
psyche way.
face."
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah. Wow, you're like the size of a twig.
Yeah, so
Oh,
like
no.
we brought it up because finally, just
Fano, bring it
like,
back.
bring it in, you know.
Bring it in.
Just like if anyone's a part of any exercise journey, if they excel, they do a personal best or whatever, you just boom, all the love, all the accolades because they deserve it all.
Yeah.
Don't be, oh, I lifted. Well, actually, I lifted. Get your ego out of my face.
Hard.
Because I was feeling chuffed, and then I was like, oh, he said that. Then I thought,
It's
oh, I'll
so
just carry
rude.
on.
No.
But then you start thinking, going, actually, are you not as strong as you are? Are they just saying that now to be like, well done, you, to be nice? Because
Yeah.
actually, that's not actually heavy. I don't know. That's how
But it's all, because it's all subjective to who the person is. Like, it's heavy for you, might not be heavy for them, but who cares? Who cares? It's all personal journey.
That's right. Thank you.
Common
for
Grounds
that.
Fitness. Common Grounds Fitness. No egos at Common Grounds Fitness.
No,
Whānau.
I
Come
know,
join
it's
us.
so
Yes.
good.
Common Grounds Fitness.
Common Grounds Fitness, Luke. There you go.
Yeah.
That's your solution.
And also half the price. It's half the price of another 3-lettered abbreviation gym that someone
Hey,
There goes
Do
to.
you lift there? I'm like, I'm sure you had a gym, another gym other than common grounds.
and it's got 3 letters too. I mean, 1 letter and 2 numbers is the one I was going for. It's actually a third of the price.
It's 67.
But yes, fine. If people are working out, you just give them all the praise and all the love.
Absolutely.
Yeah, despite if they go to a letter 2 numbers place.
Yeah, despite
doing
if
it,
they
Mars.
go
You're
to
doing
like
great.
a commercial gym when you locally own one.
I go to a locally owned
But I'm
one, by the way.
actually hoping to win one of the 12 days of Christmas prizes to get to Common Grounds Fitness, everybody. You should sign up, actually.
Yeah.
The gym of Whangarei. I saw another gym billboard out there. There's so many gyms coming to Whangarei.
We've got so much gyms and sushi places that we should be the fittest town in New Zealand.
Yes, that's so right. Whangarei, the fittest town in New Zealand.
Yeah.
We've
Where
also
you can
got
get burger fuel and a gym right next to each other.
But we've also got now another new friggin' cell phone repair shop. All in the
Oh,
same
yeah.
city.
It's like a big commercial one, eh?
All
Like
on
it's
the
a
Strand.
franchise one.
Run down by the House of Travel where that used to be. The new one's massive.
one.
It's huge.
Then just up the road, you've got one by that Embellish shop.
That Kiwio.
Yeah, Kiwi. And then that one.
Oh, Kiwio. Where was that other one?
By Embellish. It's by the public toilets.
It's
on
huge
opposite
too. It's
Rouseville.
massive.
Yeah, there's heaps. I'm like, how many do you need?
Yeah.
How many do you need?
Heaps. Well, yeah, we do
Kiwio.
sushi. We've got sushi everywhere. And now we
Sushi
get
everywhere.
gyms everywhere.
Wendy's ice cream
Gyms is a
Kiwio
go on, eh?
that used to be in that shop.
Kiwio, did you hear that though? That someone from the Muggy Kaha or
Try to
Black
sue
Power,
them, eh?
yeah, sue them for Kiwio.
Oh no.
Kiwio.
Kiwio.
Did it work?
I don't know.
I don't think
I
so.
reckon they just wasted their money. Hioia no e te iwi kua tō te rā ki runga I tō tātou hotaka mo te rangi nei. We'll be back from 7 a.m. onwards. Remember, don't compare yourself to others.
Yeah,
Yes.
comparison is the thief of joy.
Ah, and then e ai kia matua Eli Smith.
Jealousy.
What was it? Yeah. Ko te... How did it go?
Well, jealousy is
Kino
the...
tū te reo Māori.
Yeah, it was like...
Ko te...
Te
hoariri.
Te hoariri o te... pito mata. Ko te...
Here we
Ko
go.
te...
Ko te...
Pūhai. Pūhai. Ko te pūhai. Ko te
Ai.
jealous. And then, that's where our toki comes into play. Patua te ngaro ki raro.
Tika. And so let's give it up for these two who are doing exactly that. Hei ahanga kōrero paki paki mai mō ngā tangata pai.
Yes.
Te kaha.
Kia maia.
Kia ni papare.
Papare.
Ka kite.
Ko te papa, te uncle no te pawa ka whakata. Whakarongo mai ki te reo Māori, te reo Pākehā. Kāji, ka tauha, te rangi ka tauha, te papa ko tauha, te hōtaka, a te iwi, e kia nei. Ko te utu, paki paki mai. Te tohu he rangi mai, yeah. Ko te kai he kōrero, ko te mahi, e nāranga i te tina. Tamaikima, ka tika te tūra mātira. Hei raukura, mo te iwi katoa. Paki paki mai, mo ngata ngata pai. Paki paki mai, mo ngata ngata pai. Tahi, tua, karu,